Alright guys, I bought this camera on Amazon looking to use it for possible vlogging and on-site shooting. And this camera runs about $99 brand new. It has there's the case. So the case is mostly in Japanese and English. It's half Japanese, half English. So it came with a couple accessories. Came with a little strap to put onto it, but I really want to get into the functionality of this camera so you guys can have an idea of whether or not you want to order it. So it's got the flip screen, so if you're doing vlogging, you can point it at yourself, flip it up, and see what you're taking. It came with a separate attachment. It was the lens, so I didn't try it without this lens. So what I was looking for is really something that I'd be able to use on the move possibly, but also stationary, and this functioned pretty well, I would guess, or I would imagine, as a stationary, but as far as moving it around, it did not handle movement very well at all, so I would not recommend it for that usage. I'm going to show you guys a quick little clip that I took in my bedroom with my dog using this. Here you go. Still not very good quality. Absolutely. Could get way better quality on your iPhone, for sure. So it was a $50 camera. Not what I'm going to need. Not what I want. I will rather use my iPhone. So as you can see, the doesn't handle lighting very well, and it's a little grainy. As you noticed, when it got up to my face, it was a little bit better. So as a stationary vlogging camera, this thing would work. I got this thing used for like $50, and I mean, there's a reason. I'm sure the person used it quickly and saw that they couldn't use it for moving. It comes with a plug-in USB that you can use to plug into the computer. Comes with a battery. Does not come with a memory chip, so you've got to get one yourself. But yeah, I just wanted everybody to know what this thing could do, could not do. It's not going to work for me, but maybe it'll work for you. So good luck out there, guys. Keep vlogging.